I met a friend here, and look at what he is making. Basically, this thing is used for sandals like the one that I'm wearing. I'm wearing this type of sandal. They use it to redesign it, right? Yo, so do you have some here? Okay. So after you do everything, do you have some of the slippers here? You don't have some here. Okay. So what apart from this, what again do you do? These bracelets. Yeah. We have some hand bundles here. Let me take some. Sister, please can you give me some of these? Each of them.
Okay.
So
my apprentice.
You are apprentice.
My apprentice. Yes.
Okay, so basically this is Brikama team, right?
Yes.
This is the Brikama United
Volleyball team.
The volleyball team. And this lady, I saw her play. She's very good. I'm sending it to you too, maybe you don't mind.
No, I don't.
Oh, sure. That's very cool. So this is the apprentice for this man. So I believe you know how to do all these things.
Yeah.
Sure. Okay. So if we give you like 10 minutes, can you make this one?
I can try.
You can try. 10 minutes.
Yeah,
You can do this one within 10 minutes.
Yeah.
Huh?
Oh, okay. So we have this one too. These are all hand bracelets that we. I think this can also be found in Ghana as well. This is the Rastafarian type, I guess. And this is. I used to have something like this because Ghana, if you are going to food run, this is something. We wear red and black. So I used to have something like this one. And this is the Gambian flag. So basically, it shows that we are indeed in the Gambia. Okay. So my brother, how can you start doing these things, and do you really earn a lot of money? Do you earn a lot of money? Alice?
No, small.
Small.
Yeah, because it is not easy here in the hood.
Okay.
You do it for a living.
You do it for a living. So this is basically what you do for a living.
Yeah.
Okay, so also do
volleyball.
The volleyball, yeah.
I do volleyball
For your living. So do you play some kind of tournaments here in the Gambia?
Yes,
Okay, then after the tournament you have cup and you're being paid for that one.
No, it is. The thing is like academy.
Academy. Okay, so the academy they train you, so later on maybe you go out of the country.
Yes.
Out of the country.
Okay, so it means that some of your academy members have been going out of the country, always.
Or you've been transferred to another team.
So you will transfer to another team, then you get more money.
Okay.
Okay. So this is a side hustling. The main job is the volleyball, right?
Yeah.
And why do you come to the beach? This is the beach. Why do you have to come here before you train and all that? Just for fun.
Yeah.
Okay. I just realized you were eating ebe, right? Hello, Mama. Hello, Mama. How is the ebe going? You give me some. You give me some of the ebe. Yes.
You eat ever?
You
eat?
I eat sometimes. So I'm going to eat ebe. I've eaten most of the food here. And you say? I've eaten every food here. Even chair.
They're busy playing. They're busy playing. I don't know.
I've eaten chair. Clear. It's clear or chere?
Chere.
Chere. It's chere.
Wolof.
Wolof. So Wolof is chere.
Chere.
The Madenga will mention it as chere. Futo. Oh. I've eaten ebe. I've eaten super kanja. Super kanja. Super kanja, voila. So I've eaten super kanja too. And what again? What? Mabe Domoda. There is another name for Domoda. That's Mabe. So that's the food that we'll be having here. And most of the time we eat most of them with bread and rice. Rice and most of the time people around. What?
Bread and
bread and
potato. Potato.
Potato, yeah, potato. That potato.
That is potato.
Yeah, Irish potato. Then I add ketchup and mayonnaise and other things to it. Then, yeah.
Yeah, we like bread and forbidden.
Yeah. Okay. We like bread and potato.
Yeah.
That we have sweet potato. That sweet potato is different from the one that we have here. That one is kind of sugary. It's having some kind of a little bit of sugar in it.
They will fry it?
No, they don't. Like they can fry it. They can also cook it. Okay. That one is different from the potato that we have here.
No, we have the sweet potato.
We have sweet potato too.
Huh? Big one.
That big one, yeah, that big one. Yeah. Okay. So we have cocoyam.
No cocoyam.
Cocoyam, yeah. Then obviously I've seen cassava here too. So cassava too is here. Is my chair ready? What do you call it? My domoda, is it ready?
No, you know the mother is Ebe.
Ebe. Oh, that's fine. Before I come to Ghana, I will eat a lot of things.
It is off, so the season is
off, so nobody is really training.
Yeah,
like, there's no games and all that, so you have to just come and have fun.
Together.
Oh, okay.
As one family.
Oh, that's cool. So I'm going to buy one of these. So if I come to Ghana and you see me with this, it means that this is where I bought it. And I'll be buying this too. And there's another one, love. I have to give it to, at least my mom have to get something.
Yeah, okay.
My dad too have to get something. So I'll be buying some of these ones too. Okay. What is this? What does it mean? I can see love there. Baby. Love you. I love you.
I love you, yeah.
So can I buy it for you? I can buy it for you. Then I'll say that I love you. I love you, I love you. Okay. Alright. So that's that.
I wish someday I come to Ghana because
hopefully Sunday you come to Ghana. Ghana is a very beautiful country.
No, because I want to come there and learn more because I know.
You see people there. Like, you know people from Ghana? Like, have you met people from Ghana?
My auntie was at Ghana, but now he came back home because her husband was on an international appointment.
Okay, okay. So she came back to the Gambia.
The uncle is retired now.
Okay, okay, okay. So how much does this cost? One of them, yeah.
25.
25. 50.
Yeah, but
this one's are 50.
Yeah, but I'll make discount for you.
You give me discount? Yeah, I'm going to get discount. You see? So if I come to Ghana, I might be giving these ones to people as presents. Whether you like it or not, this is what I'm giving to you. Okay. We'll end here and can you give us your name?
Mohammed Lamin Jai.
Mohammed Lamin Jai.
Yeah, aka John.
AKA
John. Tall man.
Oh, okay, yeah, he's very tall. Obviously, I can see that.
Yeah.
And will you give your number out in case somebody sees it outside there and wants to come to Gambia and want to buy some of these things and go and sell it for you?
Okay.
Yeah.
My telephone number is 00220
32
66
728.
728. Yeah.
That's including the country code. Okay. Can you mention it again? 00220 32 66 728. Yeah. The place is very noisy, so as you can see, we have a lot of people here and everybody is kind of busy doing their own thing. It's not easy to have fun here. And if you want one, you can just contact me in the comment section below.
You remind me of Kwame Nkrumah.
I remind you of Kwame Nkrumah. Yeah. So as he's saying, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. This is Original Kwame, and we will bring you more of this very soon. Cheers.